How to insert table on Microsoft OneNote. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert table on Microsoft OneNote. All what you have to do is simple. Go to your Microsoft OneNote. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top right here and click on insert right here. Now as you can see, all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on table and choose the size of your table. For example, I'm gonna choose like this, and here you go. Now I just inserted a table easily and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.